Hello and welcome to the Musty Game Dev channel. On this channel, we talk about game development and we do game development. So, we have been primarily focusing on Unreal Editor for Fortnite. And as you can see, I have it open and got the latest update. I think it was just an update for Fortnite, not UEFN. And so, I'm in my playground map and I have a session connected. And so I'm going to add a few things here today. And the first thing I want to get into, oops, wrong button. The first thing I want to get into is the Accolade device. So let's see here. I'm going to move my camera over here. Go back to my content drawer. And there are many devices to use and to learn, to play with. The device I want to learn and play with today is the Accolade device. So this device is important if you want from a more of like a business standpoint, right? So we're all creating our islands, so we can have amazing gameplay and to make it fun and exciting to play our islands. But you also have to understand, like, how can you get people just to come to your island and stay and enjoy themselves, right? And so one way to do that I've been seeing other people do in their islands is to have accolades, which will give out experience points for people's battle pass. All right. So I have one accolade right here, and let's learn about this. So we have a name here. So the name of the accolade that will appear to players when the accolade is awarded. So let's do, if you recall from this initial creation of this island, when your first task you get, the first tracker you have is to take out a number of zombies. So we'll say initial zombie takedown. All right. And we'll just put here complete first tracker. And then XP award here, it provides a weighting for the XP awarded by the accolade relative to the other accolades on this island. So we'll make this one small since this is like the first thing you're going to do. And that is the initial kind of setup for that. I'm going to dismiss this right here. We'll check in later. Let's hide this and go. Oh, okay. Let's bring that back and go to advanced. So limit award count determines whether accolade has a limit on how many times it can be awarded to a player. So we'll just keep that unchecked. So don't limit it at all. And splash size sets the UI size of the accolade. Automatic XP terms the UI size, small, reticle. Okay. All right, we'll just keep it automatic. We're not doing anything extra with the UI here. Enabled during gameplay only. Triggering player only. If true, then only the triggering player is considered when granting the accolade. So this is going to be a cooperative island, a cooperative map. So we wanted to just go to all the players that obviously are in the same team working together to complete this map. Okay. Okay, so I think we're good there from the advanced section. All right, so we want to set this up. Awards the accolade to the player when the accolade criteria is met. So we're gonna add an element here, and then we have our tracker, but let's just see if we can search in here. There we go. So say tracker, and then when complete. Cool, and that should be technically all we need. And so this is just one accolade, right? So you can set this up, set up many, many accolades throughout your island. All right, so let me rename this one. So right click and then go to edit and then rename. Let's say first accolade, just to distinguish it a little bit. And then we'll do file, save all. And then let's check this out. Let's rebuild the landscape. And then do file, save all here. All right, cool. And then we'll check in our changes. Adding first Accolade Device. All right, cool. And then we will push changes. Now, I don't know what this is going to look like when we actually push changes and update the session, so bear with me on this one. All right, the game has started. Got my zombies coming at me. Let me pick up a weapon here and start taking them out. Pick up this ammo. So 6 out of 10 there. Oh. Alright, so I completed that tracker. Should have got some experience points from that. Got my bazooka. So I'm not sure what I'm supposed to be looking like. Well, I know what I'm supposed to be looking for as far as like other islands and how it's set up. I'm not sure if it shows up here in like a test session mode. I would hope it would. Okay. Let's look at our output log here. I don't see any issues. Okay, this kind of looks like what happened before with my other island, Desert Acorn, which you can play right now. I don't want to say the game manager device is busted because everything's here. And the tracker did work. It did do its job. Let's see. Let's open up the first code. We'll end the game. The only thing I can think of is we need to enable the device first. And we'll update this later. Yeah, so this is happening. The tracker complete event, we subscribe. So that's happening because first capture area is enabled. So definitely nothing wrong there. There's nothing here saying it's like a checkbox to say enable that game start. Oh, okay. Here we go. Test award. Oh, okay. So there's a way to test. You get a test there. All right. So I think that's also in the documentation. Let's see. Yeah, want to grant players Battle Pass XP while they play your UEFN experience. This tutorial shows you how to use Accolade Device to grant XP to players through UEFN Inverse. Okay, so we got direct event binding, which is what we just did before. Let's look at this. Yeah, it's the award. Pick something. Oh, video's lagging there. There you go. Yeah, so that's what we did. We just did it with the tracker instead. So playtesting. Okay, so we should see some kind of. Oh, we did not see that though. So we can award via a script. We don't want to do that right now. But you could set up like this, accolades.award and then agent. Oh wow, awarding XP for time spent in game. Wow. Ah, connected to a timer device. Oh, that's pretty cool. Let's see. Yeah, I did not see test mode or anything like that in my playthrough. I could write some verse code to plug into this event. Is there anything in the output log that we saw? Okay. That's something from the shader library, but that was it. Oh, I'm probably dying somewhere. Yeah, I've already died once. No. I want the ammo. Give me the ammo. There we go. Okay. Yeah, so according to the documentation, I should have seen something pop up on my screen, and I do not see it. But I believe it's connected all correctly. Feel very confident in that. We do want to make sure. So let's see, anything in the log. Okay. Let's end the game. What we can do based on the documentation here. Let's see. So they just make a reference to the Accolade device. Okay, so we can do that. We'll just take this code here. All right, see no issues in that. Let's have proper formatting here. There we go. Now it says accolades, like it's going to be an array. We'll just say first accolade. And then we will do first accolade. Let's see. Test, is there test award event? Dot subscribe. And then what's it looking for? An agent? A listenable with an agent. Okay. So we'll just take this and copy. On first accolade completed. And then we'll just print out here. Accolade Test Award. Awarded. And then we'll take this function here and put it as a argument. All right, we're seeing no errors. We'll save that. Head back to Unreal Editor. Do a file save all. Go to verse, build verse code. Since we're just pushing verse changes, we will hit push. Oh wait, I forgot. I did forget something. Mercy. Let's end the game. Okay, so let's go to our game manager device. Let's reference the first accolade. Files, save all. And then now we have to push changes. So we have to wait extra long. All right, waiting. All right, new game has started. Stay on these zombies. Okay, there we go. Accolade test awarded. We saw that in the corner. Gotta capture this and remove all these zombies from the land. All right. And just to double check here, go to output log, accolade test award, awarded. Okay, so that means when we publish the island, this actually will give us Battle Pass XP. And that's the Accolade device. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions or feedback in the comments. Subscribe and like the video. And stay musty.